Unit 2. Unit 2 is called Comparing Bits and Pieces. And in Unit 2, we'll start off by making comparisons. So people make and do amazing and amusing things all over the world. For instance, the smallest motorized car is so small, it has a bumper 1/2 the thickness of a human hair, and its top speed is 0.001 miles per hour. It is so small it can sit on a fingernail. On the next page are some more statements about people, places, and things. Notice that numbers are at the heart of each of these claims. So in Unit 2, we're going to be making comparisons, and numbers will be at the heart of all of the comparisons that we are making. Here are some comparisons. Pause the video and read about the different comparisons, keeping in mind that numbers are used in each of the comparisons. So in problem 1.1, you will be reading about a fundraising goal. So you're raising money to use for certain things at a school. And we're going to make comparisons with fractions and ratios. So we know what fractions are. I'm not so sure you know what a ratio is. We'll get to that in a later lesson. Pause the video and read the problem. So, problem 1.1, make sure you label your paper in the upper right-hand corner, and you write problem 1.1, part A. Part A simply says, the students wrote some claims about the fundraising goals on slips of paper and gave them to the principal to read over the loudspeaker during the morning announcements. Decide whether each claim is true and explain why or why not. So this is a claim. These are all claims that are to be possibly read over the loudspeaker, but obviously we wouldn't want to have a claim read if the claim was wrong. So using the fundraising goals for 6th grade, which is 300, the 7th grade, that is 450, and the 8th grade, that's 150. Using these goals, you have to determine whether these claims are correct or incorrect, and then tell why or why not. Pause the video and do that now. For parts B and C, for part B, this is a more challenging problem. You and your group need to write 3 more comparison statements for the principal to read over the loudspeaker. You are to write 3 more comparisons for the principal to read over the loudspeaker. Part C, on the first day of the fundraiser, the principal announces 1 more goal over the loudspeaker. So Mr. Schumacher is going to announce a fundraising goal at Parkview. Just kind of pretend. The microphone is not working well. What do you think the teacher's goal is? So you're going to try to figure out what the teacher's goal is. So this is what Mr. Schumacher is reading. Good morning, students, teachers, and staff. The teachers have joined the school fundraiser. They will be selling books for summer reading. They have set a goal of dollars. This is $210 more than the graders, but only 4/5 as much as the graders. For every $60 the teachers plan to raise, the graders plan to raise $50. So your job is to figure out what the teacher's goal is and to fill in each of these static. Good luck with this problem.